Welcome back to this side of the world. Let's dive into the stories behind every place and uncover incredible experiences they have to offer. Join me as I explore breathtaking destinations, taste authentic flavors, and experience rich cultures and traditions that makes every place special. As the cool season returns to the United Arab Emirates, it's the perfect opportunity to enjoy the great outdoors. This time, our adventure took us to Khor Al Bazim. We set out in the afternoon to have plenty of time to prepare for our overnight stay and, of course, to catch the breathtaking sunset. Now, let me tell you more about this stunning location. Khor Al Bazim is a remote coastal inlet in the western region of Abu Dhabi near the UAE Saudi Arabia border. The word Khor in Arabic means inlet or lagoon, and this natural wonder stretches approximately 130 kilometers along the Arabian Gulf with a width ranging from 8 to 16 kilometers. The landscape here is a fascinating blend of sandy beaches, rocky outcrops, and vast desert terrain, perfect for off-roading and exploration. The calm waters create a striking contrast against the endless dunes, making it a paradise for nature lovers. Khor Al Bazim is also a home to diverse marine life, migratory birds, and unique desert vegetation. Whether you're into kayaking, fishing, crabbing, camping, bird watching, stargazing, or just soaking in the scenery, this place has something for everyone. So buckle up and join me as we explore the beauty of Khor Al Bazim. After soaking in the stunning sunset, we prepared to grill a delicious spread of fish, corn, vegetables, and chicken barbecue for dinner. We thoroughly enjoyed our meal and afterward we relaxed with tea and coffee while admiring the breathtaking night sky under the glow of a full moon. Around 11 p.m., we decided to take a dip in the seawater and try our hand at crab hunting. Unfortunately, we only caught a few as it wasn't the ideal season for crabbing. However, the experience itself was unforgettable and we were grateful for the adventure. Spending the night camping at the secluded inlet was an entirely different kind of thrill. With nothing but the soothing sounds of nature surrounding us all night and lying under the tent felt both peaceful and exhilarating. Waking up to the gentle rhythm of the waves, the soft embrace of white fog, and the first golden rays of the rising sun was a truly magical way to start the day. Oo, no? We gathered our ingredients and cooking utensils to prepare breakfast and enjoying a delicious meal with a breathtaking ocean view felt like a dream come true. After breakfast, we took full advantage of the crystal clear waters of Khor Al Bazim, swimming and soaking in the beauty of this hidden paradise. Thank you so much for exploring with me. See you again in my next video for more breathtaking destinations.